Yeah. Here we have the HTC One X. I'll be showing you the amazing camera. So you only took 0.7 seconds from the locking screen to the camera, and from the first shot you've taken right, it's only 0.7 seconds. Okay. And from shot to shot, it's only took 0.2 seconds to focus. So let me disable. You can choose the preview mode by over here. Here is a number of settings for the camera. So preview duration, set no preview.
The HD is only 1280 by 720.
HD for the back camera, the rear camera, is Full HD, 1080p. Okay. For the front camera, it will be 720p.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's so special about this camera is actually you can see the whole interface has been redesigned. So you can see the shutter button is over here, and the record button for video is over here. So when you press down the shutter button, actually you go into burst mode. So it can allows you to take up to 99 photos at 4 frames per second burst mode. And after you are done, you can choose the best photo out of it.
The best shot.
Yeah, the best shot. You can press on the best shot. It will help you select the best shot for you. Okay. Then over here we can actually record a video and take a photo during the recording of the video.
Okay.
So let's say we will take a photo. So the photo will be shown here, and we can take another one.
I know, it's so different.
So after we are done with the video, we can take a look at the videos we have taken. And let's say you forget maybe some of the important moments during the video, right? You didn't take a photo. You can actually capture the photo during the playback of the video. So just press this shutter button again. So you can see the image has been saved to the gallery. So you can check on the photo from the video later on.
So the image size captured using this method will be 190.
No, the image capture will be at 5 megapixel.
I mean, let's say you capture from the video itself.
Yeah, if you capture, it will be the widescreen format.
Okay.
The same resolution as the video.
As the video, yes. Because it's a lower res.
Yeah, that's right. And over here we have the effect button. So you can choose a lot of different effects to enhance the photo quality. We have mono, the different lighting effects. Just let me walk through.
There's a flash, right? There's a 5 level.
Yes.
Flash.
Just let me show. So this camera is actually a master of light. So what means a master of light? For example, under the no light condition, when you are able to flash, you actually have 5 levels of different flash. It's automatically adjusted by software. So it depends from the distance from the camera to the object.
Okay.
So we can show maybe an object on. Okay, let's throw the flash.
Yeah. Still looks quite okay.
Here the photo may not seem very good because the lighting condition is already quite bright. And for example, under the low light conditions, this HTC One X have an f2.0 aperture lens, so allow 44% more lights into the camera compared with any of the leading smartphones.
Can you take a look at the back? So the flash is over here.
Yeah, the flash will be from here. You want me to take a shot? And for the bright light condition, a strong backlight. For example, if you're taking like outside under the scenery, you have the sun behind you. Often, the people will be seeing like dark figures. You can't see the details of it. So for the HTC One X, you have the HDR. Okay. The best HDR in its class. So when you have the HDR mode on, you actually take 3 photos, and they will combine them to bring out the details of the object that in front of which have bright sunlight behind.
So currently the OS is still
Currently the OS is ice cream sandwich.
Okay.
So you see actually 3 buttons at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe let me just go through the OS.
Yeah.
So 3 buttons will be home, back, and multitasking button. So home will be the same as the older gingerbread build. So you go back to the home if you're going to any of the applications. When we press the home again, it will show the 7 different screens of the HTC Sense. And the back button works the same as well. Just go back to the previous operation. And for the over here is a multitasking window. So when you press it, it will actually show the all the different windows or software you are running. So by if you want to like close any of the application, just swipe your finger across up. Yeah. So you can see it's very smooth, very fast to close any of the apps. Very easy to move with. It works with landscape mode as well.
Very smooth. You go to the about screen.
Sorry?
About the system configuration.
Okay. So for the HTC One X, you'll be using NVIDIA Tegra 3 quad-core processor. And here is the settings menu. Okay. For the screen, it's using a 720p HD screen. So let me just show the software information. So you can see it's Android 4.0.3 and with HTC Sense 4.0.
Okay.
And the hardware, so it's using a quad-core processor at 1.5 GHz. We have 1 GB of RAM and 4.7-inch screen with 720p resolution, 8 megapixel main camera, and front camera will be 1.3 megapixel. Okay. This one, the battery for the HTC One X is actually built-in.
Oh, okay.
And yeah,
that's why it's so slim.
yeah, that's why it's actually very slim. At 8.9 millimeters.
So the battery is how many?
A battery will be a 1,800 milliamp battery.
So that's the only way to charge it. It's just like the iPhone like that. You cannot remove it.
Yeah, for the battery it's unremovable. It's built-in.
Okay.
And for the SIM card, right, it's actually using a micro SIM as well.
Micro SIM?
Yes, that's right. So this is the SIM card tray.
Okay.
Yeah, so you see this hole here is actually you need a pin to pop out the SIM card tray. So here's the latest HTC Sense.
Okay.
It will be very smooth in terms of its performance, and pinch to zoom just work at the older HTC phones.
Okay.
And here is the software drawer.
Okay.
Yes, scroll through now will be horizontal scrolling between the applications.
So the language supported is depends on different firmware for different regions, I suppose.
Yes, that's right.
Again, okay. So are there Chinese support?
Yes, there's a HTC
for this particular.
Yeah. You can go to
language and
keyboard, system language.
Oh, that's a lot.